if you're having trouble pulling out the backwash valve, you got to take this out, unscrew it, take it out, set it aside. See, when you try to pull it up, it won't allow you to because it's stuck. So what that means is the O-rings have expanded inside. So how do you take care of that? You got to take out the filter. Already undid these inlet valves. I'm going to pull it out. Take it all apart. What I'm going to have to do is go in through here and cut those O-rings from there because I cannot release it up here. So I'm going to have to go in there with a box cutter or a knife and take the O-ring like this one that's in there and pull it out with some pliers, some needle nose pliers. Let's see how that works. I'll get back with you once I get it done. Well, back to this O-ring dilemma that I have. As you can see, I found the culprit right there. See that O-ring? It's all over the place. So I need to get that out and replace it. And how am I going to do that? Hopefully go to my fishing tool, this thing right here, and grab it. Can't really see. I got it, but I just can't turn it. So what I'm going to have to do is turn off the camera and turn the valve, and hopefully we can get it out. Well, there it is. It's coming apart. It's coming. Well, let me turn off the camera so I can use both hands and get that O-ring out. I'll be back. Well, as you can see, I was able to pull it out, and here it is. That's the problem that we're having. Hopefully this will allow for the valve to come up. It's still not coming up. I need to get the one on the bottom. I'm sure that one's torn as well. So let me get to that and I'll come right back to this video. Well, this one was a little tougher because it was just stuck in there. I had to cut it, and here it comes. This is the other O-ring. What I had to do is use my box cutters, a knife, and cut that and pulled it out. So let's see if the lever's gonna come out now. Came out with ease. There you go. That was so easy that all I have to do now is replace the O-rings, make sure I lubricate those, and it should be working good. We'll see. Here are the two O-rings that needed replacement. I got them right here. Went to Leslie's Pools and they had them. Make sure I lubricate them, because if you don't lubricate them, you come to the same problem that they will tear. So there's 4 O-rings that need to be replaced. It's one in here, up here, this one right here, and these 2 right here. So let's go ahead and start with these. I think these would be the ones that, well, it wasn't that bad. I will put that one there. I guess I need to lubricate before I do anything. I should do it. Should go in there. There's one. Let's do this one. So here we go. This one goes up here. It's a little tougher working when they're slippery. But not a big problem. This one needs to come out. Still looks in good shape, but might as well change it since I'm already here. I'll lubricate that as well. And there you have it. That'll sit up here. That should do it. Let's see if it works. Okay, this should go in. No problems, I hope. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but try to get it in there. There you go. I think we're okay. Push that in there. So this one's sitting right. Now, we'll see how we do. Check within a little bit. Well, there you go. Put some lube. We'll put some extra lube on it. It should go in all the way in. There you go. It should sit all the way down. If it does, got it right. There you go. Perfect. So there you go. Just need to put everything back together and start the pump. Okay, the problem that I was having was that the lever would not go all the way down, which caused, I guess, the filter not to filter the water properly, which caused my pool to turn green because of lack of proper filtration. So I already put everything together. I primed the pool pump and I hand tightened these nuts, these 3 nuts, this one and these 2 that are going into the actual filter. Let's see how it works. I already primed it, so it should be okay. And there you go. Right where it's supposed to be. I hope that works. And I hope it helps somebody. Do it.